Andre Russell, the ultimate fighter who knows just how good he is. From being injury-prone in 2023 to leaner and lighter in 2024, he has become KKR's reliable bowler this IPL. There are fragile things in this world. Hopes, dreams, glass. Andre Russell's 35-year-old body in IPL 2023. He didn't bowl at all for the first 3 matches of the season. But when he did, he started with a wicket. He had 2 by the time he finished his first over. But then when he came back to start the third, he pulled up after 1 ball, which by the way was another wicket, and then left the field. Even in this small and arbitrary sequence of play that really has no relevance right now, it is still clear just how talented this man is, and the biggest threat that stands in the way of its expression. At least, he was able to play that whole season, and managed so very carefully that he only bowled an average of 1 over per game. There was an injury in 2021 which put him out of the tournament. And he was in such good form too. He took his T20 career best 5 for 15 against Mumbai Indians. Russell's 36-year-old body in IPL 2024 seems to be free of such misfortune. Fueled by the desire to represent West Indies when the T20 World Cup is played on their own soil in just a couple of weeks' time, humbled by the fact that his old captain and now coach Darren Sammy lived up to his word of "do well and I'll get you back in the squad," and inspired by people who take a beating for a living but simply refuse to ever go down UFC fighters, it is looking good. At the moment, I have 4 packs, so working on the next 2, Russell said with a smile 2 months ago. Definitely being leaner and lighter is working for my body, and it shows in my performance as well. I like watching the UFC. To see those guys looking strong and lean is a motivation for me, so I set myself a goal. I know it is going to help in my cricket bowling, fielding, and also in my batting. Russell did not play any international cricket for 2 years from the end of the 2021 T20 World Cup. He was, of course, a staple on the franchise circuit. 88 matches of 20-over cricket for 9 teams across 7 countries. 63 of those saw him in the colour purple. There's a smidge even on the new Trinbago kit. Russell is West Indies first. He's always insisted on that. But he has just as strong feelings about the Knight Riders. They've taken good care of him and he's pushed himself to pay them back. This IPL season it's been with his bowling because he hasn't really been needed with the bat. Russell has sent down 25.2 overs, a 66% increase from 2023. He's actually still to face as many balls as he's bowled, 120 vs 152. He's become one of their bankers, or at the very least an important part of their all-round threat. Because he does this thing where he can, if needed, start his spell really late in the game. He doesn't need a warm-up. He's too experienced to be scared. He's quick, and he's clever. Batters sometimes expect him to target the nose and toes at 150 km per hour, and he sucker punches them with his slower balls, which account for 5 of his 15 wickets this IPL. At times, he even starts celebrating, arms spread wide, running off to some distant corner of the ground, right after he induces the false shot. He just knows it'll be caught. He just knows he is too good.